goal every time I go out and shoot is to just create the best art possible.
Dude, Alegre is so stoked.
The amount of ingredients that have to come together to create a shot that, you know, has power, significance, and is capable of inspiring people are so many. Priority number one for me is light, incorporating the athlete with what's going on with the light in a way that makes them secondary to the environment that's surrounding them is kind of the way that I look to compose my shots first and foremost.
That is so mental. The view is insane.
When I'm looking for gear, the most important thing for me is that what I'm going to use is going to be able to take a beating. The Mountain Series is second to none when it comes to what I'm going to choose to rely on in the field.
Yeah, that'd be nuts. No, switch front foot to a punch back. Yeah, bud. I'd say let's just roll down. Yeah, buddy. Okay, ready?
When I shoot, it's really a reflection of me because I'm shooting what I appreciate and I get excited about. So, and if my pictures are capable of, you know, inspiring people to get out there in the outdoors and push themselves and create and spend time together out there, then that makes me really happy.